Need to track your purchases or incoming funds? In this video, I'll show you how to find your complete PayPal transaction history, step by step. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using the app or website. Step 2. Tap or click Activity in the main menu. Step 3. You'll see a list of recent transactions including payments sent, received, and purchases. Step 4. Use the search bar to find specific dates, names, or transaction types. Step 5. Tap on any item to see full details: amount, status, date, and payment method. Step 6. To download your history, click Statements, then Custom on the web, and set your date range. Use the search filters to track tax information or refunds. You can also download monthly or yearly PDF summaries for record keeping. That's how to find your PayPal transaction history. Stay tuned for more guides here on Guide with Samuel.